This is a Ghost image backup from the Windows XP era. Modern backup tools don't read it. You need the Ghost Explorer utility to extract files from it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's recover your old data. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the GHO error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. The file header for GHO explicitly specifies it belongs to the backup file hierarchy. The Norton Ghost Backup File convention is used to store its contents. The GHO file is a highly proprietary disk image file created by Norton Ghost software. It functions as a complete, compressed copy of an entire hard drive partition used primarily for system restoration and cloning. Developed by Symantec, the format is closed source and optimized for fast block-level imaging. The file's integrity relies on the software's proprietary indexing and compression scheme. It is inaccessible without the Norton Ghost application or specialized recovery tools, as it cannot be mounted like a standard ISO. The GHO format operates under the official standard set by Symantec Ghost Solution Suite from Symantec Corporation. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows can't display the stored information, so recovery software is needed to open these files properly. We are performing the initial software environment diagnostic. Right-click your GHO file and choose Open With. Test with Symantec Ghost Solution Suite first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software switch. We need to act fast after that failed attempt. Let's transition immediately into these 3 crucial steps for error isolation. First, use Symantec Ghost. Open the file using Symantec Ghost Solution Suite, GSA, as this is the required application for disk image files. Next, check version. Ensure your GSS version is compatible with the version that created the GHO file, as image format versions change over time. Finally, use third-party converter. If Ghost fails, use a third-party tool like Ghost Explorer to browse the contents or attempt to convert the image to a more universal format like .vhd. If your system couldn't find any compatible reader for the GHO file, you need software with superior format handling capabilities. This specialized tool is the recommended solution to try. Since we tried everything on the GHO format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Wishing you success with your files. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.